Hello, this is Tamara Evans, Digital Services Librarian at the Kings County Library. Today I'm going to introduce you to a wonderful online resource for veteran and civilian job seekers called JobNow VetNow, which is provided by BrainFuse. This online resource gives access to live interview coaching, a resume lab with expert feedback, and access to standardized practice tests. So let's take a look. Before we get started, you want to make sure that you have your Kings County Library card available, since you will need your library card number to access this resource. To get to the resource, you want to go to the library's website, which is located at kingscountylibrary.org. Next, you want to navigate to the brown Research button and press it. Once you've reached our Research webpage, you're then going to scroll down to the table, which is labeled Databases, and then click the blue See All Databases button. Please note that all of our databases are listed in alphabetical order. Having said this, you'll need to scroll down until you locate JobNow VetNow by BrainFuse. Once you've located JobNow and VetNow, then you'll click the area where it says click here to access. And be aware, from this point you'll need to type in your library card number, like so. Then press Login. Now we've arrived at the JobNow VetNow homepage. Before I begin going more in depth of what resources are provided through this database, I want to thank the California State Library for providing the Kings County Library with access to this online resource. Now what you'll notice is there are three boxes here in the middle of the screen. I'm going to discuss each one in depth. First, there's live job coaching. If you click on the blue Connect button, this is going to open up a separate box which is going to provide access to a live job coach. Be aware the live job coach is available every day from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you try to attempt to contact a live job coach outside of those times mentioned, then you'll need to actually submit a question. And to submit a question, you'll have to create a free JobNow VetNow account, which can be done by clicking the button here where it says Log In, and then clicking here where it says Sign Up. And this will allow you to create an account with a username and a password. The middle box is titled Resume Lab, and when using Resume Lab, this allows you to submit your resume and you'll receive expert feedback on it. Be aware that it will take 1 business day for an expert person to review your resume. And again, you'll need to create a free JobNow VetNow account to use this feature. Lastly is the Live Veteran Navigator. If you press the blue Connect button here, this will open up a separate box which will connect you with a live veteran navigator. This service is available Monday through Friday from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. And similar to the live job coach, if you contact the live veteran navigator outside of the times I've mentioned, then you'll need to actually submit a question. And turnaround for a response to the questions is usually around 1 business day. Other resources to note in this database is Tools for Job Seekers, which includes live resume coaching, live interview coaching, unemployment assistance, eParachute, which provides access to quizzes that are based on the best-selling books What Color is Your Parachute, Job Resources, which shows job listings both locally and nationally, resume templates and resources, optimal resume, interview tips, interview resources, and career prep and job resources. Next area to note are tools for veterans, which provides access and options to send a question, as well as carefully vetted resources for veterans noted here. One more thing that I want to mention is the tools for learners area. And this is really handy in that it provides access to videos, tests, and tutorials, whether you're in elementary school, high school, or an older adult learner. This provides access to exams as well as other resources, diagnosis text, study plans, live tutoring, as well as a virtual study room in case you are someone who needs to study with your classmates and are unable to meet physically in person. So I hope that you enjoy this tutorial provided from the library in reference to what JobNow and VetNow has to offer. Thank you for watching our tutorials, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as check out the Kings County Library Facebook page for more videos similar to this one. Thank you and have a good day.